Now I will show you my part, I think part 2, sister collection. I have to show her wallet because she will think one of this she will bring, so I'll show you. This one is her Japan wallet because she will use this for Japan. So she will bring this one. It's very nice. Sorry, I don't know what's the name. I just only know it's Louis Vuitton. Okay. This you can see. And look. You would know if it's original. This is original, okay? Then I will show you the compartment of this wallet. Oh, look. This is her compartment. I will not show what's inside, okay? This is like papers. And, oh my god. Oh, she has money here. Oh, she has money. Look, so many money. Oh, she has this 10. 10. And then she has like, she has two of this. And she has this. Many 1,000 yen. And this one, $1. And so this is here also compartment, so it's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 open compartment, and there's like here a zipper, so it's like 5. Oh my, I like this. There's like coins here. So this is her Japan wallet. It's very nice. I think all Louis Vuitton are very nice. Sorry, it's hard to close when it's only one hand. Maybe I'll just have this like that. Okay? So it's easy. Oh my god, I have to be very careful. Okay? Can you see it? Wait, this one here. Is it easy to see? Next. This is her Japan wallet. Next. I'll put it there. Her Denmark wallet. This is her Denmark wallet. I have to do that. This is her Denmark wallet. Look. Can you see it? Is it not good to see like that? Sorry. Then, oh my god, I don't need to show this. Like, there's like compartment for the cards. And then there's like here, it's like two open compartment, and there's like zipper. So yeah, this is her Denmark. Okay, and next, Philippines wallet. She need to separate because so it's like if there's like a coin she can also use to when she goes to Philippines and Japan and Denmark, so it's like it will not be mixed. So this is, oh, I like this one. It's very nice. It's her Philippine wallet. Okay. I have to do like that. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. This is her wallet for Philippines. And look, I have to open here. Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh my god, sorry. There's like Philippine money here. Philippine money, yes, this Philippine money. That's why this is for Philippine wallet. It's also like 3 compartment, open compartment. And yes, also dollars. No, it's 4 open compartment. And there's this one zipper also. Yeah, it's just the same. No, it's not only 4. There's also secret here. Look, there's also secret compartment. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open compartment. And this close for the coins. Look, it's very nice. Okay, then there's also one wallet here. I will open this. Okay, there's also here. It's not only for Philippines wallet, but she has this one. Look, this is also nice. I don't know what's the brand. Ah, it's Louis Vuitton. It's a black color. Look, can you see it? This one. It's not usual wallet. And then here you can open here. Sorry, I'm so sorry. This